orodo mwe na mutumia wake maokoro makiamukira kihoto kiao nao aria marakorirwo magitafania giko kiu ni maokoro magikinyukirio makinya make watho. Tugithii na mbere ni ati anyiti itemi na makiliasektaini ya ugima wa mwiri ni mathiete na mbere na kuheana mendekithia maao iguru reegie Ndereti ya guthaitira aria maratafania wira uyu na Ndereti iria ikinyetio mbere ya giikaro kia mwanya ya Senate uumuthi igithikiririo rita ria keeri matongoretio ni mwandiki mukaru sektaini ya ugima wa mwiri Hari Kimutai ni moritie kamiti iyo ikoro ikihitukio ni watho.
A bill which includes has been forwarded as a bill in the committee. Ensure that issues proposed in the community health service
we also have the community health workers bill, which also speaks to these issues. Now we also have this community health services bill. Now we're introducing a new baby altogether that will allow you to blow your trumpet again, primary healthcare bill. We just want to see how what legislative framework can we put in place that addresses all these issues as one.
Because our chair is online, I wanted to add 1, 2, 3 comments before the PS leave.
Yes.
And PS, I forgot to just identifications. I think legal person can assist us if our standing order and the standing order of National Assembly can allow both houses to sponsor the bill of PHC. I don't know, you can guide us later, but let's hear from our chair, able chair.
Before you hear from the chair, I just wanted to have concurrence. Who can sponsor this bill for us? Is it National Assembly Committee or the Senate Committee? Not that the two.
Senate.
So we'll agree who is going to sponsor.
Yes, we agree. Let's hear from our chair.
Tugithii na mbere ni ati mutongoria